Hi, I'm Carolyn, and if you've ever gone to the grocery store and just grabbed one of those roasted whole chickens and wondered how do they get them so flavorful? Well, you know, not all chickens are created equal, and it really depends on which grocery store you go to, because I've grabbed some and I just really did not like the texture or the taste, but we found one that we really liked, and we get it from this grocery store. It's kind of more on the health food vibe, kind of co-op like, and it's PCC, that's the name of it here in the Pacific Northwest. I know that they're not everywhere, but I'm going to share with you their recipe. I'm going to post their recipe in the description in this video along with some other links. And also, something I forgot to mention in this video is how to make that whole chicken really juicy. So instead of placing your chicken right side up, we're going to go ahead and place it breast side down so that all of the juices run in down into the breast and make it all juicy and flavorful. So let's get started. Alright, we're going to start with 8 cups of water, and then I have 2 lemons. The recipe called for 3, but I'm just going to use 2. We're going to cut these up and squeeze them in and then put the whole parts in there. And then we have some bay leaves. You can put 4 to 6 leaves in there. I have some peppercorns, about a tablespoon. And then this is basil. And I'm using ground rosemary. Next up we have a little bit of chipotle powder and some garlic powder. I'm just about at the end of mine. And then we have some thyme. I'm just going to go ahead and throw in the rest of my garlic powder since I'm at the end. There's not much there. And here's an overview of what we've put in. And you should really add some fresh garlic cloves as well. And then the recipe called for half a cup of honey, but I'm just putting in a tablespoon. And we're going to mix that up and let that get to a boil. And then you can also add some chicken broth or some vegetable broth. I switched brands. I switched to this Kettle and Fire, and like I said, you could use either vegetable or the chicken. And then the brand I used to have is Pacific, but I quit because they put cane sugar in it. We don't need any more sugar in our food, and it really makes me angry. This new brand is a little bit more expensive, but I'm not going to get the stuff with the sugar. So then you want to remove it from the heat, and then we're going to start the cool down process. You can add ice and more water, and then soak your chicken in it overnight. And this is what the chicken looks like after it has soaked overnight in the fridge. And voila, there's our chicken. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe, and I will see you again.